Hi everyone, this is Pankaj and welcome to the next video of solving most important DSA इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस। आज इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं लीड कोड की 53 इंडेक्स क्वेश्चन को जिसका नाम है मैक्सिमम सब अरे सब। So this is very important question and again it will have two approaches. The first approach is brute force approach and the second approach is optimized approach. इसमें हम एक अलग से एल्गोरिथम के बारे में देखने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है कैडेंस एल्गोरिथम। आई होप यू मस्ट all have heard about this algorithm. So देखते हैं आज वो कैसे काम करता है। So first of all, let's read the description of this question. So given an integer array nums, find the subarray with the largest sum and return its sum. So basically आपके पास क्या होगा कि एक array दिया होगा nums का एंड वो इंटीजर्स का अरे होगा और बेसिकली आपको ऐसा सब अरे ढूंढना है जिसका सम मैक्सिमम हो। फॉर एग्जांपल इस अरे में आप देख सकते हो ये जो सब अरे है इसका सम मैक्सिमम होगा। एनी हाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट दिस, राइट। एंड अगेन हम आपको क्लियर कर दे कि एक सब अरे होता है वो कंटिन्यूअस एलिमेंट से मिलकर बनता है, ऐसा नहीं। और एक सब सीक्वेंस होता है जिसमें वो कंटिन्यूअस भी हो सकता है या फिर डिसकंटिन्यूअस भी हो सकता है। सो बेसिकली हमें सब अरे पर ध्यान देना है, ना कि सब सीक्वेंसेस पे। क्योंकि अगर सब सीक्वेंस देखा जाए तो यहाँ 1 + 4 + 2 दैट इज 7 + 1 8 + 4 12। सो हमें सब सीक्वेंस कंसिडर नहीं करना, हमें सब अरे कंसिडर करना है जो कि बनता है कंटिन्यूअस एलिमेंट से। So basically here the output is 1 itself. So let's see the brute force approach. In brute force approach what you will do is आप एक पहले इस इंडेक्स से स्टार्ट होने वाले सभी सब अरे को कंसीडर करोगे और उसका मैक्सिमम सम आप स्टोर कर लोगे। फिर इस इंडेक्स से स्टार्ट होने वाले सभी सब अरे को कंसीडर करोगे और आप मैक्सिमम सम स्टोर कर लोगे और मैक्सिमम सब को अपडेट भी करोगे। सो लेट्स सी द कोड ऑफ द ब्रूट फोर्स अप्रोच। Right. So first of all, you will have to store your max sum inside it as, let's say, int min, right? So int min is basically minus 10 to the power 9. And let's start your for loop here. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. Then a. You will do, you will declare a temporary sum variable as 0. Again you will start your loop. So the first loop will go until n-1, right? Because we will have to add the last variable also, right? The second loop will start from I plus 1 and it will go until n. That is the size of the array. Sorry, it's j plus plus. And what we'll do is that first of all let's consider sum here as nums of I, because you are considering that element also. And then again here first you will have to update your max sum, because let's say you have stored minus 10 to the power 9 and here this sum value is 2. So first of all you will have to update this max sum as maximum of max sum comma sum, right? Then when you will come inside this another for loop, what you will do, you will first of all add the corresponding value, next value that of nums of j, and then again you will update your max sum as max sum comma sum, right? So at the end you will have your max sum stored in max sum. So let's run this code here. Okay, so we are getting wrong answer for second test case. So what is its output? So its output is actually 1 and we are getting as a negative value. So the error here is that you must not start with your max sum with your int main. You have to start it with your first element itself. Then I think you will get the right answer. Okay, so here we are getting our public test cases passed. So let's try to submit this. I think we will get TLE definitely because the time complexity of this code is O of n square. So here we are getting wrong answer, right? Okay, we were running this loop uh, up till this only. What if this single element is the answer also, right? So you will have to run this loop until your last element. If you try to submit this, so here you can see that we are getting clearly. So here comes another approach called as cadence algorithm. So what cadence algorithm actually means here is that what you will do. So basically, let's understand this with example. So what cadence algorithm says that until this index, calculate the maximum sum of every sub arrays before this index, right? Before this 4, whatever the sub arrays are there, you will calculate the maximum sum of that sub arrays and take the maximum out of them. Similar for this index also, you will calculate maximum sum for every sub array before this and take the maximum of them, and the maximum of all this calculation will be the global answer, right? So let's see how you can update so let's see how you can code this. So first of all, you need to take max sum as your initial value, right? And again you will have to take the your temporary sum as 0. Now you will start your for loop with I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. So first of all, what you will do, you will add your current value to this sum variable. Now you will update your maximum sum as max sum comma sum, right? You updated your value. Now if your sum is less than 0, then there is uh, no need to consider that sum because we don't have to return the negative value. If there is no sub array, if there is a sub array with negative sum, definitely we are going to consider 0 for it, right? So this was the way you have implemented the cadence algorithm, and let's at the end return the maximum sum. So now let's run this code. So here you can see that we are getting our public test cases passed. Now let's try to submit this. Okay, so our solution is accepted. So I think you must have some doubts you for cadence algorithm. So what you can do is you go to the uh, Geek for Geeks website and search about cadence algorithm. So here you will see an article based on the cadence algorithm and example also. So here you can read this article, and I think you will get hands-on experience on this algorithm. And I think this is very important question, and it has been asked in many interview questions. You can see your LinkedIn, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Cisco, JP Morgans, and many more companies here, right? So you must be handy on this algorithm. So please practice this and understand the concept behind this algorithm. So तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.